It will give data, or you will give data into the computer with the help of that?
I'll get data help of the computer.
Yes, that is why they are called input devices. Means the devices with which we input the data, means with which we give information to the computer. That they are called as input devices. Example, keyboard and mouse, right? So what are output devices? Bilvika?
Ma'am, so
What are output devices?
Ma'am,
Tell.
CPU
CPU is an output device.
in output, ma'am.
CPU is an output device.
Input, ma'am.
No.
Output, ma'am.
No. First tell me what are output devices.
Process, ma'am.
Yeah, processing device, CPU. So what are output devices?
Output computer.
It is called monitor. Monitor is an output device, and also printer. Printer is also an output device, because we can see the information whatever we have given on them, right? Suppose if we have typed our name, where we can see that on the monitor, right? And we can also take the printout of that. So that is why they are called output devices. Clear, Anna, everyone? What is input, output? Yes? Now take out page number 13. 13, everybody done? Okay, Krishika.
No, ma'am.
No, Tanishka. Okay. I will write. You can write down. Take out course books, page number 13, everyone. Take out course books, page number 13. Yeah, ma Krishika, if you have done, no problem. Okay. Page number 13, ma everyone. I'll write. You can see and write, amma. Ashita Gautam. Yes, ma Ashita. Tell me, Ashita.
Ma'am, I had already finished all the pages, ma'am.
Okay, ma. Good. Some are there, those who did not finish. So I'm telling for them, okay?
Okay, ma'am.
Right. Yes, ma. What is our theme name now? Can anybody tell me which theme we are in? Theme 1 only, right? Yes, write down. It's theme 1. Name is. You don't write anything. I'm just writing. All about myself. Which subject it is? ICT, right? And what is the topic we are? Input and input, process, output. Right, what is that first one? This is week 4 we are writing, right? We are in week 4, right? So what is that? Group A. A bit, what is that? Keyboard. KEYBOARD. Right? And next one, B is mouse. MOUSE, mouse. C is monitor. MONITOR, monitor. Sorry. And D1 is printer. E1 is speakers. F is DVD. And G1 is pen drive. Yes, ma, is it clear? Everyone writing? Ashwita and Allah, you're not writing?
I'm writing, ma'am.
You're writing, right?
Ma'am,
Yes.
Ma'am, I wrote. Ma'am, page number 12.
Page number 13, ma, this is. Page number 12, you did not write? Show me your book first. Is it theme 1 only?
Yes, ma'am.
Yeah, okay. So page number 12, you did not write? Show your page number 12, Ashwita. You have written, na?
Yes, ma'am.
Then write that page number 13. You have written
Ma'am.
already.
Yes,
Oh,
ma'am.
okay, but see that answers. Check your answers. That F1 is wrong. That is DVD. Okay, right. Name the following parts of the computer. Identify them as input, output, or storage devices. Here you also have to write. You have to write the part, and keyboard is an input device, right? Input. You have to write input.
ఇది టీచర్ చెప్పింది కదా టీచర్
Sorry. You have to write which device it is. Check those who have written. Check your answers. Keyboard is an input. Mouse is also input. Write like this only. The way I am writing. Monitor is output. Printer is also output.
ఇన్పుట్ రాసిన అవుట్పుట్ చేసిన
Speakers
అది ముఖ్యం చేయాలి
yeah, speakers. What are the speakers? They are also output. Now this DVD and pen drive are storage. Storage device. This is also
యాక్చువల్గా ఫస్ట్ అప్పుడు చెప్పింది ఓకే స్టోరేజ్ డివైజెస్ కి బదులు ఇన్పుట్ రైట్.
any problem, Kartika? No? Right. Those who have written already, just check your answers, Amma. You have to write name the following parts of a computer and also identify them as input, output, or storage devices. You have to write the names as well as which device they are, input, output, or storage. Okay. So those who have already written, just check your answers. If you are written correctly, it's okay. If it's wrong, just change it. Akshay, you completed? Nana, Akshay, have you completed? If you have any doubts, just raise your hands. I'll clear your doubts. Bilvika, complete your incomplete work. Okay? AVK Ganesh, you're not writing? Yes, ma, I will share you this in MCB also. Okay? This is page number 13. Yes, ma, completed all? Yes, Ganesh, tell me. Yes, tell me. No doubts?
Ma'am, which you are saying in notebook is not coming in courses, ma'am.
Page number 13, theme 1. Show your book once.
Ma'am, 13 page only.
Show your book on the top. That is which theme book you have opened? I am telling theme 1 only.
In one book is,
Theme 1 did we complete? No, na?
yeah.
Then take out theme 1 book. First we'll complete theme 1, theme 2, theme 3. Yes, ma, completed all? Take out theme 1, page number 13. Kartika, completed?
Yes, ma'am.
Very good. So take out page number 14, ma. Whoever completed page number 13. Take out page number 14. Ashita, show your page number 14 once.
Page number 14, ma'am.
Yeah.
1 minute, ma'am. Page number 14.
14.
Okay, ma'am, I'm showing now. I'm oning my video, ma'am.
Hmm.
Mm. Mm. Ma'am, can you see me?
No, ma, your video is not on yet. Ah, yeah.
Mm. Can
So,
you?
I can see. What did you write there? Okay, input device and output device you have written. Okay, okay. Right, right. Yes, ma. Next page. Next page. Page number 14. What is that you have to do? First of all, I'll write here. Input. And output, right? Now, A, B, C, D. Okay. Now we have to read the information given below. Identify the devices used to perform the tasks. Jaina is drawing a picture in MS Paint. She then prints the picture on a paper. So what is the input device that she has used there? Can anybody tell? Yes, Nana? Who will tell? Just raise your hands. First of all is, yeah, Devansh, tell me. What is the input device there and what is the output? Amma? Mouse input device. Yes, yes. And output device is?
DVD.
No, Nana. She then prints the picture on a paper. What is that? Prints the picture on the paper.
Printer, ma'am.
Yeah. So here it will come what? In near the input it will be mouse, right? And here it is printer, right? Under print output you have to write printer. Here. Now next second one. Neeta is listening music on the computer. After listening, she takes the songs to her friend's place. Now tell me. Yes, Bilvika, tell.
Ma'am. Ma'am. CD, ma'am.
CD or DVD, okay. Then output is? Output.
Hello, ma'am.
Listening music on the computer, where?
Speaker, ma'am.
Yeah, CD or DVD, this you can write anything. Output is speaker. Right? Now, next is Sohan is typing his name on a computer and it is displayed on the screen. Srihan ready? Yes, tell me.
Keyboard.
Okay, output device?
Monitor.
Very good, very good. Good, good. Yes, this is keyboard. And output is monitor. Yes, now last one is Jamshed is entering some data into the computer. He then takes a printout of the data. Not Bilvika, already have answered. Anybody else? Other? Tanishka? Yeah, Pathan, tell me.
Yes, ma'am.
Tell me, what is the input device used there and what is output device used there? Jamshed is entering some data into the computer. He then takes a printout. So what are the input and output devices used there? Keyboard,
Keyboard.
And
Printer.
yes, printer. Right, everyone? Right. This is page number 14. I hope you are all writing. Any doubts? Just raise your hands. Shall I go to page number 15? Yes, Dhruti completed?
Yes, ma'am. I only.
Already completed?
Yes.
Okay. Yes, ma, Bilvika?
No, ma'am.
Why did you raise your hands?
No, ma'am.
Okay. You're writing, right? Right. One second, ma. One second. Yeah. Shall I go to next? This all I will share. Okay. Where it is saved. Yes, ma. Next one. Page number. What is this next one? Page number 15. List the different types of input and output devices used in the computer lab. The same input devices. Yeah, Dhriti Reddy, what is your doubt?
Ma'am, in the page number 14, what was the last two objects?
Keyboard and printer.
Thanks, miss.
Yeah. Now here, ma, what are the input devices we use in our lab? Already you know that is keyboard, right? And mouse. Next one is microphone. Speakers means mic. Sorry, microphones. Here, output devices are what are that? Monitor, printer, and finally speakers. So these are the input devices we use and output devices we use in the computer lab. So in this only one more is there. Name the processing device used in your computer. What is that processing device we use? CPU is a processing device we use. Different types of storage devices used in the computer lab. And answer is what are that we use? CD we will use, DVD we will use, pen drive. Okay? Yeah. This is page number 15. So all these 3 pages I will share again. Those who have not completed, they can complete. Don't worry. Okay. All these I'm going to share in MCB. So tomorrow we'll start new topic, that is memory. We'll complete theme 1.